Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making cream cheese chicken chili, so stick around and I'll show you how I did it. So today you're going to need 2 cans of black beans. I actually did the Walmart pickup and I got upgraded to bushes. It's 15 ounces. Then you'll need a can of Rotel, this is the great value version, a 8-ounce block of cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, which I do moderate later in this recipe, so stick around for that. A teaspoon of cumin, and then you'll need 1 ranch packet. I actually have the bigger jar, so I'll be using 3 tablespoons of that. 1 can of corn, but today I'm using frozen corn, and then 2 chicken breasts. Alright, so first thing is first, you're going to take both cans of black beans and put them in a strainer. Make sure you rinse them really well. And I didn't really see a difference between the Bushes and the Great Value brands, so just for future reference, they're both good. Alright, so onto the chicken. The recipe called for 2 chicken breasts, but I had 3 smaller ones, so that's what I'm going to do today. The recipe also calls for a can of corn with the juice in it. So I'm going to put a half a cup of water in with this frozen corn to kind of make up for that. And then you're going to put the whole can of Rotel with the juice also on top of that. And then we're going to put the black beans on top of that. Now, a side note, what I would do in the future is put all these ingredients in a side bowl and then put the dry ingredients on top, that way so it's easier to mix, because with the frozen corn on the frozen chicken, I mean, on the bottom, it was hard to really mix it up. It ended up being fine, but that's what I'll do in the future, so side note on that. And onto the spices we go. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of cumin, and this is where I'm going to moderate that cayenne pepper. It called for 1 whole tablespoon, but I'm going to cut that back to a half a tablespoon next time because this was super spicy and I don't think kids would like it that spicy. So that's definitely what I would do, a half a tablespoon. And then you'll use a packet of ranch dry dressing seasoning. I have the bigger container, so I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera because I didn't have an extra hand. There it is. Now it's added on there, and see how it's kind of hard to mix up with that frozen chicken on the bottom, so that's why I would do that side bowl. It ended up being fine though, like I said. And then we are going to top the cream cheese on that, and it wasn't room temperature or anything. You don't have to worry about cutting it up. Just place the whole thing on top because it's going to melt down as the crock pot heats up. And I did this for 4 hours, by the way. I don't think I said that yet. My husband actually helped me out because I was gone for the day, and he took the chicken out and shredded it up and put it back in. So this is what it looks like after 4 hours. So delicious. And I served it with tortilla chips. You could also top it with shredded cheese, sour cream. I mean, this is bomb.com. So good. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you made this. And I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks.